In today's video, I'll show you how to add an opinion scale question in Typeform, step by step. If you want to collect ratings, feedback, or customer opinions in a simple and professional way, this feature makes it really easy. First, open your Typeform dashboard and either create a new form or open an existing one. Once your form is open inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen and click the Add Content button. After that, scroll through the question types and select Opinion Scale. As soon as you click it, the question will be added directly into your form. Now type your question in the main text field. For example, you could ask something like, "How satisfied are you with our service?" You can also add a short description underneath the question if you want to give users extra details or instructions. Next, move over to the Settings panel on the right side. This is where you can fully customize the scale. You can choose where the scale starts. Some people prefer starting from 0, while others use 1 as the first option. Then you can adjust the number of steps in the scale. Typeform lets you choose between smaller scales like 1 to 5 or larger scales such as 0 to 10. You can also add custom labels to both ends of the scale. For example, the left side could say "not satisfied" and the right side could say "very satisfied." This helps users clearly understand what each side of the scale means. If you want to make sure every person answers the question before moving forward, simply turn on the required option. One useful tip is to add a short text question right after the opinion scale. That way, users can explain why they gave a certain rating, helping you collect more detailed feedback instead of only numbers. And that's basically it. Your opinion scale question is now ready to use inside Typeform, and you can continue building the rest of your survey or form. And that's how you add opinion scale questions in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.